Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI Creator Z16. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that some keys on your MSI Creator Z16 don't respond, you're not alone. This issue can occur for several reasons, including dirt or debris under the keys or a malfunctioning keyboard controller. If left unresolved, it can lead to frustration while typing and impact your productivity. Let's fix that. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. To safely open the device, place it upside down on a soft surface. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. After removing the screws, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. Once the back cover is off, locate the keyboard connection. It's usually a flat ribbon cable attached to the motherboard. Gently disconnect this cable by lifting the locking tab on the connector. Now, you may need to remove the keyboard itself. Depending on your model, it could be secured by additional screws or clips, so take your time to identify how it's held in place. Carefully lift the keyboard away from the chassis, ensuring no cables are caught. If you notice any debris or dirt under the keys, use the can of compressed air to blow it out. If the keyboard is faulty, you'll need to replace it with a new one. Align the new keyboard with the mounting points and reconnect the ribbon cable, ensuring it's securely locked in place. Before reassembling, double-check that everything is connected properly and that there are no loose components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully place the back panel back onto the chassis and replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so. Finally, power on your device and test the keyboard to ensure all keys are responding correctly. To prevent this issue from happening again, keep your laptop clean and free from dust. Regularly check for any debris that might accumulate under the keys. If you use your laptop in various environments, consider using a keyboard cover to protect it. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.